Hello, this is Jerome Cerilia, and today I'm going to share to you the souvenir I have from Vietnam. Basically, nanood kami ng puppet show, water puppet show sa Golden Dragon Water Puppet Theater. At ito yung napili ko na bilhin, di ba? So basically, I think isang set to. At ang presyo niya is 50 Vietnamese dong or Vietnam dong. May ano pa siya, parang sobre lalagyan. Yan, Phoenix. Ito yung pinakaano nila. Basically parang stage at parang may mansion. And then this I think is a fisherman. Respecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 in total. Oh, there you go. Meron pa siyang ganito. Yeah. If you want to read it, you may read it so we're gonna put it this back. Ito yung first na ano, Uncle Tew. Actually, sa ano nila, hindi ko naiintindihan. Gawa ng hello. They speak in Vietnamese. Ito yung fisherman ata. Tapos, ito yung mga deity na babae. Fairy dance. Yeah, deity. Mr. Lan. Ito yung parang si Buddha. Happy. The shepherd plays a flute. Shepherd, buffalo to pero it's okay kung ano yung gusto nilang i-term. Ito yung souvenir ko para sa akin. The Phoenix dance. This is crazy. I like it also. And then ito yung frog catcher. So basically there are 6 cards in total. So yun na siya. Ito na yung maging souvenir ko sa sarili ko sa Vietnam. Isasend ko yung isa sa akin. Tapos ito yung send ko sa akin. And then ano ba ibibigay ko kay Papa? Kahit alin na lang. Siguro itong ano. Itong parang fisherman. Pero akala ko fish yung inaano niya. Tsaka duck. Iba pala. Frog. So, okay. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.